So we're gonna prove the Pythagorean theorem. For the formula go as c squared equal plus b squared. So in order to prove this, I should give you an explanation of what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna find the area of the larger square ABCD. I'm gonna subtract the area by the area of the four triangles here, and then we are left with this square here called c squared, which is this one. So first we're gonna find the area of the bigger square. So side times side, AB times BD, and AB we can rewrite it as A plus B times B plus A, which is the same. A plus B times A plus B, and since this is the same, we can also rewrite it as A plus B squared, and we can rewrite it as that. Boom. So now we're gonna find the area of the triangle for them. So ABC equal to base times height divided by 2. So the base can either be B or A. So I'm gonna take the A as the base and B as the height divided by 2. And there's 4 triangles, right? So we're gonna time it by 4. Then we get 4AB divided by 2. Now we're gonna just divide this 4 divided by 2, get 2AB. So that's the area of the triangle. And we're gonna do next, if gonna, like the c squared is equal to this one, the area of the bigger square, minus the area of the triangle. We can this cancel out. We're left with c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, and boom, we just proved Pythagorean theorem.